Good morning, today is June 15th and I'm gonna take you along with me today. It is a Thursday and I will show you what a day in my life is like. Summer! Hey y'all, first order of business is my intro to global health class that I'm taking this summer. It's in person and so I have to go, it starts at 9 o'clock. So it's currently 7:30 and I'm running a little bit late because I was up late last night doing the reading, but yeah, so we have to drive. We're commuting into Boston, so there's a lot of traffic, so we should leave by 8. And so I'm just eating breakfast. I'm eating toast, an egg, and a smoothie this morning. Oh yeah, that's my this is the rest of this week, and this is next week. My mom made me write it on the board so she knew. Anyways, so that's what I'm up to. I'll see you in a little bit, and I'm late, so I gotta eat fast.
Packing my bag. I have a book. I don't need this bag. I have a book in case I get bored. My computer charger. I have my computer. Computer plus pen. Oh, I learned this nifty trick to keep your headphones in check. So like this, and then like this. This is how you do headphones. Pouch of headphones and power bank. Put that in here. Make sure you put that in front. And then I have my lunch box. I packed my lunch. I'm just sitting flush on the bottom, or else I'll have a mess. My chips for fun. Zip it all up. I have my badge. That water that I need to go fill up before I go. And nail trimmers. Chapstick. And that's it. I'm ready to go. Or I should leave this one. These are papers from stuff that we did. Grab one folder. Here we go. Zip up. I'm ready to go. I'm running late.
In the car and ready to go. On break now, so I just got up to stretch my legs and I'll be out here for like 10 minutes. I just finished class. The first hour was on health surveillance, and then we watched a little bit like the second part of Contagion, the movie, and then we had the last hour to work on our group papers. And my group is doing maternal mortality in the Democratic Republic of Congo. So I'm working on editing and finalizing like some citations and stuff for that. And now I'm walking to the bus. I'm going to cook at Rosie's place this afternoon from 2:30 to 6. But I'm just gonna get there early because my class is over. Walking to Rosie's place now, and I just got off the bus, and because it's a nice day I decided to take a cut through BMC's like little courtyard place. But I'm on my way. I'm a little bit hungry, so I think I'm gonna eat at Rosie's place. I packed a lunch before I start cooking for other people, which is good because they have a lunch break right now anyways. And yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. I'm currently at Rosie's place, and I just finished preparing some sandwiches that are like to-go's, and we're making chicken parmesan and pasta tonight with a side salad. And so we're done preparing, so we're just waiting until like 4 o'clock to plate, just so that the food doesn't get cold by the time the ladies come at 4:30. So I'm just working on a little bit of my research paper. Finished cooking at Rosie's place, and now we're on our way home. It's 6:30, so we'll probably be home around 7, and then I'm gonna eat dinner. We made chicken parm, pasta with marinara sauce and salad today. So I brought some home and we're gonna have Dad try it out. Look at the plane! I just got home, I let the chickens out, and I took a shower just so that I'm clean now. I'm letting my hair dry on the bed, and then I'm gonna go do some work. I'm gonna eat a quick snack and plan out my evening while my dad cooks. This is dinner. We're having chicken and pasta, which is what I made at Rosie's place. Some kind of soup and a variety of veggies and chicken. It's now 10 p.m. and I just finished dinner and I watched a little bit of YouTube. I didn't end up doing any schoolwork, so I'll figure that out. But I work tomorrow from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m., which means I have to be awake at like 5:30. So I'm gonna go to bed pretty early, so it's 10:15. I'll try and be in bed at like 10:30, just so that I'm awake tomorrow. And then tomorrow after I come home, we can see what I end up getting done. So I'm gonna brush my teeth and I'm gonna call it a night.